Hello and welcome back to Creative Cups Art. Today we are drawing a fluffy little squirrel with a swishy tail, tiny paws and shiny button eyes. So grab your paper pencil colors and let's make this woodland cutie come alive. We'll start by drawing a tiny triangle nose for our squirrel. Now we'll make a big shiny button eye. So our squirrel looks curious and playful. Now we'll draw the top of the squirrel's fluffy face. Time for the tiny cute round ears sitting on the top of the head. And now we'll draw a soft little chin and cheeks underneath. Next, we'll draw the squirrel's little paws ready to hold a crunchy nut. Now we'll make a fuzzy tummy, nice and round. Add the small back feet for the squirrel to sit comfortably. Let's draw the curved back of a squirrel's cozy body. And here comes the best part, the big fluffy bushy tail. Make it curly and soft like a cloud. Finally, we add a curved line for Squirrel's folded leg. Now let us color our furry little squirrel with warm brown shades. Now here I am fast forwarding the video, but at any point if you find the video going too speedy, you can always pause the video and look back. Wow, our adorable fluffy tailed squirrel is all finished. You did an amazing job. Your squirrel looks super fluffy, cozy and ready for a woodland adventure. Keep smiling, keep coloring, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Creative Cubs Art. I will see you in the next fun drawing adventure. Bye bye.